Hey guys, what's going on? This is Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. We've placed about 50 seeds inside of these planters. Let's probe a little bit deeper and see if we can find a couple and show you what's going on. Let's try here. Let's try here. Ah, there we go. There's one right there. You see her? Isn't that beautiful? So that's 5 days, okay? Now, so what am I saying? I'm saying that you do not have to transplant anything. You do not have to grow your seeds in a house and bring them outside. They will grow. Just put them into the Torpedopot and they take off by themselves. Hey guys, Darrell Addison, Torpedopot.com. Darrell Addison at Torpedopot.com. And you're looking at our self-growing planters. Now these are our peas. The objective of in this case, these peas, sugar peas, the objective is to provide nutrition immediately during the beginning of the season. We have other crops that will be coming out later in the season, but the objective is to get your nutrition early in the season. The reason why I love this is because I get to store it, put it in the refrigerator, have small portions. I can use it as I need it. And really, I harvest when I need to. I don't need to harvest every day of the week. These can grow till they reach maturity, and I don't have to touch them. And the ones that I want to harvest, if I get hungry or want something fresh, I'll just come out here and get it. So don't feel like this type of gardening in the containerized system gives you options that you've never had before, because it grows your food for you. Welcome to Torpedopot. My name is Darrell Addison. I'm the founder and the inventor of the Torpedopot. This Torpedopot will grow more food than conventional gardening and hydroponics combined. Well, that's 10 Torpedopots that are loaded with a lot of peas. All natural, fully organic, and there's more to come. And they're all over the place. Do you see anything dying? It's no death. You may see things getting old, but you don't see any dead plants in between dead plants, No, you're looking at 100% effective growth. If the seed, matter of fact, when you grow your seeds in Torpedopot, you get to test if that seed's germination rate is correct. It's the only planter that scientifically allows you to do that. So we're about to do a count and we're about to run through the peas. The reason why we want to run through this is because we're ready to start putting in our pepper plants. And trust me, man, I tell you, this peppers are going to taste so good. But anyhow, my peas are going in, and I love the way they are. And so we put about from 30 to 50 pea plants in one planter. So we get to see how many pods were on each plant. And that's what we're looking at right now.